Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about colorful MEOW gaming laptop. So friend, colorful to launch AMD based gaming laptop, and friend, it looks like colorful's collaboration with AMD will continue. And latest venture is the introduction of MEOW gaming laptop. The company teased the laptop on social media with the official announcement scheduled for 23rd February, and it's clearly state AMD AI PC and GeForce RTX 40. So friend, this colorful laptop is that will run on AMD hardware while incorporating GeForce RTX 40 graphics, an interesting move for colorful considering the company only entered the laptop market a few years ago with Intel 10th generation core series that they only made Intel laptops for now. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.